Sports nutrition basics. Sports are fun, but if you are really serious about making it a part of your life and excel, then the importance of sports nutrition is not new to you. We will be looking at the key nutrients to aid on your sporting code. Then we will also look at 5 tips to consider, and finally the practical ways to achieve your goal. Many sportsmen and women believe that proper nutrition is a key factor in making these rapid improvements in their performance. Almost all of the professional sportsmen have a diet specifically written for them and customized. You can do the same to excel in your chosen sports. The statement, "You are what you eat," is perfect for sportsmen. A properly customized diet will help you increase your energy reserves, train harder, and compete better at all levels. Energy. Carbohydrates are the #1 fuel for your body. The great source of energy. Taking sufficient amounts of it, both before and after sports routines, will help you perform a lot better and increases your stamina. The use of simple carbohydrates is recommended. But avoid simple sugars, which provides empty calories. For more on carbohydrates, check the link on the description below. Protein. Proteins are a great way to improve your muscle building process. Almost all sports require you to have strong muscles. Protein is the king in the kingdom of muscle building. These are the 2 key nutrients for sports nutrition. 5 tips on basic sports nutrition. Number 1. Focus on high carbohydrate foods. Your muscles depend on carbohydrates for glycogen synthesis. Number 2. Eat a high protein meal after your sports routine. This helps you build muscles and make them stronger for the next sports training session. Number 3. Drink adequate amounts of water. Keep away from soft drinks for quenching your thirst. They will eat your system away. Slowly but surely. Number 4. Eat foods rich in potassium, such as bananas, oranges, potatoes and raisins. Number 5. Take adequate rest in the form of 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night before a sports competition. 2 to 3 days prior to the competition, increase your carbohydrate intake. Drink plenty of fluids. 2 to 3 cups of water with every meal, and keep sipping in between meals. Never go thirsty. Keep track of your weight as well. Losing weight on vigorous sports routines is well documented, and therefore regular checking is very essential. Keep the above points in mind and your performance will skyrocket. Thank you for watching.